This is a 2003 Chevrolet Avalanche 1500. This truck has a 4-speed automatic transmission and a 5.3-liter V8. All of the following features are included: a double wishbone independent front suspension, aluminum wheels, cruise control, a 6-speaker audio system, a leather-wrapped steering wheel, automatic locking wheel hubs, a security system, dusk-sensing headlights, air conditioning, and this vehicle has less than 73,000 miles. Contact us today to arrange your test drive.
JackSafroFord is dedicated to doing everything possible to ensure that the experience you have selecting your next vehicle is as pleasant as possible. We are located at 1000 East Summit Avenue in Oconomowoc.